Loops going live. We're live. Seconds in, we got Tim Lepley, Mike Wright, Joe Murphy, Shark, and Tim Parrish. Hot lap of the race, Joe Murphy, 5.029. He was your early leader. Got taken up off of 4. Cost him a couple spots. Murphy, your leader Lepley, red, black, and white, number 18 down the front straightaway. Second spot going to be Mike Wright, hot pink, yellow rear wheels down the front. Joe Murphy in third, fluorescent yellow and orange, number 7.
Two minutes left.
Halfway there, 2 down, 2 to go. Tim Lepley, Joe Murphy, Mike Wright. Your running order. Joe Murphy bounced off that front wall. Left to go. This is race 10, race 11. You're up next. Race number 12. Should be getting ready.
1 minute left.
Lepley on a new DQ run right here. Joe Murphy, quick lap, 4.987. Tim Lepley, Mike Wright, Joe Murphy running order. Top 3 all within 1 second. Master clock is ready to keep on going.
Car 5 is done. Car 3 is done. Car 2 is done. Car 6 is done. Car 1 is done.
And that's a race. I'll stop. Taking a win, Mike Wright, 45.404.2 on the last lap. Tim Lepley, 45.04.3. Joe Murphy, 45.404.5. So top 3 separated by just 2.5 tenths of a second. Tim Parrish going 44 and Shark going 42.